We are 5th grade student council members.
Next week, our school will be celebrating Unity Day on Tuesday, October 17th.
The purpose of Unity Day is to stand up against bullying.
It is also a chance for us to show kindness, acceptance, and inclusion.
Students will be completing a classroom activity to demonstrate
That we are stronger when linked together.
Don't forget to wear orange next Tuesday, October 17th.
This is one way to show we stand together united.
It does have to be an orange shirt. It can be anything orange.
Some fun examples are socks, headbands, or bracelets.
So Hornets, let's unite and show that we will not stand for bullying.
Have a great weekend.